Welcome back to another one of these here episodes. It's me, Julox, the Crooked Teeth Bandit. If you know me, you know me. If you don't, you ought to get to. Finna try to get on some of these soccer later, man. You know, just see if one or two want to bite right quick this beautiful evening. Y'all see that sunset over there across the mountains. I thank you, though. If you don't, my bad. I see you, though. Let's kick this boy here out. We can just get two of them right quick, man, before that sun fall. And I can't see no more, that'll be cool. You already know I'm throwing them eagle claws out. It's gonna go like right there. Let's just see. Well, it ain't a soccer lay, y'all. It ain't that sock, but yo, he out of there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, baby. Oh, that little soccer lake right there. Yank that boy up straight up out the water, man. I think I found something over here, y'all. That boy there gonna keep too. Oh no, don't do me like that. Why you wanna break me off? Ain't that crazy how sometimes you can just walk on up? Everything is right. Let's get him tie it back on. I said all I wanted was 2 of them right quick. I got them 2. Sorry, let me speak correctly. I have those 2. Now I got them 2 though, you know what I'm talking about? Shoot yeah. And come down here on a little old hunch right quick. I ain't had no business coming out here. It's late, that sun finna fall. But if it's about that fishing, I'm with it. Let me mess around and hit 4, 5 more right fast. It don't take that long. Come on now. I'm here. Where you at? I'm here. Go ahead and chunk them back out. Let's see what's right there. It's like I know I need to go on and go home. But once I do that, I ain't gonna be fishing no more. You know what I'm saying? Let's go home and think about fishing. Like, man, I should have stayed a little while longer, bro. They wasn't biting, but I should have stayed because I would have been fishing. That's why I'm just out here just hoping, man, one of these things fall down. When it all falls down. Oh, when it all falls down. Come on and fall down. I'm telling you, come on, man. I'm singing at you. On the cool though, I said I just wanted to come down here and get 2 right quick. In this little 45 minutes, hour that I had. Pretty much did that right away. Let's see here. I ain't got no glasses on. I can't tell how long I've been recording. But it ain't take long though. Come on, Sock. Come on, Sock. Come on, Sock. There we go. There we go, Soccer. There we go, Soccer. Y'all see that? Y'all see that boy there? See him hauling out? Watch this here. See that? Man, look at this little old micro Soccer, man. For real, bruh. For real, man. Yeah, bruh. That's real. It really did just happen. You witnessing it right now. Let me see if they want to hit that one. I know they gonna hit him. I'm gonna go on here. Let one of them little old bitty ones come on get it. Look at that. Thought he was running off, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, man, this season I've been catching some teeny tiny Soccer. For real, y'all. Smaller than what I normally be catching. Way smaller than what I normally catch. But I'm catching though, so I ain't gonna hate on that. I'm talking about no matter where I go, I just ain't finding them. I ain't finding Big Bertha, Big Eartha. Look at her. Look at her. That's another little one though. See? Oh man. Y'all see this little old? Y'all see that? Oh boy. Hey, a catch is a catch, but I'm talking about that's too small. Do I even count that as a catch? Y'all saw I shot that thing up out the water like a missile? That's 4 Soccer laying the bass. I got 2 of them that'll keep. We're gonna give it a few more minutes and get on. These bugs ain't playing with me. I'm talking about an all-out aerial assault. That boy there must be about them catfish. He just not showing up to catch them. Yeah, it look like that boy catfishing over there. Got him. Come on up out of there for me. Come on up out of there for me. That's exactly what I need you to do. Y'all see how I put one in his jaw with that eagle claw? Y'all see that there? Uh-huh. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all checking me out. Especially on a quick little 45-minute trip. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all them things you supposed to do. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have another one for y'all pretty soon. Already.